Okay, today guys, I have a special grocery haul for you guys. I want to show you, my husband wanted to go to Jules Osco in order to get some chicken. We're going to barbecue some chicken tonight, where actually he is. And we went over to the meat section where the chicken was. And look at the prices on here. $4.67. Regular price $25.55. Savings. What is that? $18.88. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. $23.35, and we only paid $5.03. Now, here is the best one. $19.96, and we paid $3.96. We got 10 packages of chicken. Look at there. For less than 50 bucks. Now, it's got a lot of fat on it. But we're going to trim that fat off because I like cooking clean. And with me, cooking clean means trimming off the fat. But look at this, guys. Look at this. And I didn't even, I didn't want to go shopping today. I am so glad I listened to my husband. He has been such a blessing to me and luck, because we've been with me listening to him, and I don't always do, but when I listen to him, we find the best deals. And as you know, I am the cleaning rack queen. If you didn't know, you know now, because we cleaned everything out. And this will last us a long time for a lot of meals. Now, we're not going to be eating chicken every day, but we won't have to buy chicken for a while. But yes, I wanted to let you guys know. I'm going to let you see the receipt so that you can see the savings. And these are not the small. These are chicken chests. These are not the small. These are huge pieces. This one have 3 in there. Look at how big they are. Look at that. This one, look how big those are. I think it's 3 in those too. I think it's 3 in all of them. Now, some have more fat on it than others, but we don't care. We always cut the fat off. Always. I'm gonna let you see the receipt. Oh, look at the savings, y'all. Look at the savings. It's on there, but yeah. Look at the savings. Hold on, I'm gonna let you guys see the really good part. Okay, let's see. Here we go down here, guys. As you can see, we saved $189.88. Total savings value 67%. And I'm trying to tell you right now, this is a blessing, because with the price of food, oh my goodness. Look at that. And I am a Jewel for You member. Of course, that didn't have anything to do with the price. Anybody could buy this chicken for these prices. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 3, 4, and 3. Yes, guys. We're going to put them in the freezer. And we have enough chicken to last us for a few months. Now, like I said, we're not going to eat chicken every day, but we will not have to spend full price for chicken for a long time. And we can incorporate many dishes with this chicken. And the fact that the pieces are so big, one pack will, just adding staples like rice and bell peppers or whatever, you can make a whole meal. You can make a whole meal. So I am definitely going to share with you guys the meals that we're going to make with this chicken. But I mean, this is an understatement. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Well, we got some other stuff as well. We got a bag of taters and some yellow onions, because my husband loved to make taters and onions. So he always take care of that. One day I'm going to have to make some smothered fried taters and onions. He got some beer, because my husband is a Busch Light head. So we got some beer. But we didn't really get a lot of different items like we normally do. But when I saw the price on this chicken, because at first when I saw it, I wasn't really paying attention. But then eventually I always look at the price. And when he showed me the what you pay, I told him to step aside, and every package that was in that bin went in our cart. Let me show you the prices again. This is a true blessing. Look at that. $4.67. Regular price $25.55. Here's the other one again, $26.55, $5.03. And then of course this one is less, $19.96, and we paid $3.96. Well, guys, all I can tell you is now, Jules is a very high store. As anybody that does a lot of shopping at different stores know, that Jules is a very high price store. The only time Jules bring their store prices down is if another store move right in the neighborhood, maybe a block or 2 blocks away. Then they'll make their prices comparable. But otherwise, Jules is very high. You really have to know how to shop at Jules in order to get the most out of the money you spend, because we don't get paid enough money compared to the high price of rising goods. So I'm going to do a video on how to save money shopping. I am also a Jules for You member. Sometimes, depending on what the perks are, you guys need to sign up for some of this stuff. I'm going to also do a video on the different stores that I shop at, that I have member cards at, that gives me special deals and stuff because I have the members cards. And oh my gosh, look at this. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. And this is all because I listened to my husband. If I hadn't listened to him, and then, I mean, even though I didn't feel like going shopping today, we could have easily went to a different store and I would have never seen this deal. We had some other places to stop in the area, so we said we was going to stop by Jules. We only planned to get 2 packages of the chicken, but once I saw the prices and he showed me what, as it says, what you pay, I told him we can't pass up this deal. And he didn't give me a problem about it. He thought it was a good idea. Now, we have 3 freezers, so we definitely have enough room to put all this chicken in. But look at this. So we bought all this chicken now, which will help us to save in the future. Okay, guys, I am not gonna bore you with any more of this video, but I mean, I've caught sales from Jews before with the chicken, where you can get 2 for $5, but the pieces were not this big. So I'm telling you right now, I am absolutely astonished. I am floored. And since we clean all our raw meat, we even rinse off the ground beef to get the blood out of it. So this fat do not scare us. I remember when I was younger and would shop, if the meat had a lot of fat in it, I wouldn't buy it, the chicken. But now we clean all the fat, or as much as possible, at least 95%, 98% of the fat off. Now, I know some of you guys are saying in the background, yeah, but fat brings flavor to food. I've cooked food with fat in it, and in the past, long time ago. And to me, unless I added certain seasonings to give it flavor, it just didn't make a difference to me. And I hate sloppy food. And to me, sloppy food is cooking food where there's a lot of fat in it, where the fat starts surfacing, like if you boiling it for chicken soup, the fat is surfacing to the top of the water. I hate that. That is definitely one of my pet peeves when it comes to cooking. But like I said, I'm going to end this video. I just needed to share this with you. And yes, I am definitely floored. All this chicken, 10 packages. 10 packages. And you can see how big the pieces are. Not the fritters. These are chicken chests, and they have weight behind them. And we bought them for $3.96. There's different prices. Some are under $5, some are under $4. But this is what we got, guys. So I just wanted to share this with you. I hope this video makes it to you in time enough for you to at least check and see if you can find the same prices at Jewels near you. So yeah, I'm going to definitely post this video right away, and that way maybe you have a chance to find it. But you can't do any better than this. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video right here, because this video was strictly for the prices of chicken, and you guys know how high the prices of chicken is nowadays. So I'm going to end the video right here. And now tell me, even though this chicken is not cooked, that this is not enough chicken to fill a hungry belly.
By the time you get done with the video, the chicken's gonna go bad.
You're so silly. Okay, guys, we got to put the chicken up now. You hear my husband in the background. He's always cracking jokes. But as long as he's not farting in the kitchen, I don't care what he say. So anyway, happy eating. Hold on a second. I'm recording for YouTube.